Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in today's video. Today I am going to talk about Urbanic reviews, and in this video I will tell you whether this website is legit or a scam. Friends, this website does not belong to us, and if you have never ordered anything from this website, then in this unbiased review I will help you in deciding the answer to this question, that is, should I buy from it or not? Also, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end, as I will share a way to get your money back at the end of this video. So the Urbanic.com is an online fashion store where you can see various fashion clothing in latest styles, and you can also find them at attractive discounts. The clothes displayed here are priced reasonably, and you can see here that they offer various discount codes with different categories of clothing. Now let us have a look at some other details and let us check what all payment methods are given here. So you can pay for your purchase on cash on delivery, credit card, debit card, net banking, Paytm wallet. So this was about payment. Now guys, here no information is given regarding shipping time. However, you have to pay 99 rupees as shipping charge if you order a cloth costing below 990 rupees, and you will get free shipping if you order a product costing over 990 rupees. This was about shipping. Guys, before talking about it further, I would like to request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel, as this will motivate us to make more such informative videos for you. Now let us talk about those important points on which we can judge this website to be a legit or scam one. So we came to know that this website exhibits a valid HTTPS connection, that is a good sign. Also, we found that the website was registered on 30th May 2002. The domain name for the website is old, and that is a reliable thing here. Now let us have a look at the about us information and let us see what all details are given here. This is the about us page, and here you will find all details regarding the website. So the about us page is informative. Coming back to price, we found prices for the products displayed on the website to be reasonable and affordable. Also, we could find various payment options to buy products on this website. Now let us have a look at the contact details and let us see what all things are given here regarding their contact. Here on the contact us page, you can see they are offering you with their email address that matches to the domain name. Also, they are giving you here with their office address. However, no phone number is given here. So this was about contact us page. Now, coming to the social media presence, we found this website active on various social media platforms. That is a legit sign here again. Now let us have a look at the return policy of the website, and here they are giving you 10 days in order to return your product. So if you are not satisfied, you can return your product within 10 days time. Guys, if you have any experience regarding the return policy of this website, then do let us know about it in the comment box below. Talking about the customer reviews, we found various positive customer reviews for the website and its products, and that was again impressive and a legit sign here. Coming to the website's content quality, we found it to be good, as they are providing you enough details regarding them. Also, their product are defined properly, so content quality overall is good. Now, giving a final statement, I would declare this website to be a legit one based on its good content quality, good customer reviews, and good social media presence. Guys, I hope this video was somewhat useful for you. So, if you want to get your money back wasted on scam websites or products, then do check the link given in the description area. Also, don't forget to share your reviews about this video in the comment box below. Guys, we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe it today. We advise you to be informed and be safe. Thank you for watching this video and have a beautiful day.